Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit real estate photos taken on your iPhone. Editing real estate photos is a bit different from other types of photography, and while personal taste plays a big role, there are a few guidelines that can help make your photos stand out. Let's get right into it. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and select the real estate photo you want to edit. Tap Edit in the top right corner to start making adjustments. If you're looking for a quick fix, try using the Auto Adjustment feature. This feature automatically tweaks the lighting and colors in your photo, and it can give you a good starting point. If you want to dive deeper into the edits, tap on the adjustment icon, the one that looks like a dial with dots around it. From here, you can manually adjust key settings like brightness, exposure, and contrast. Increasing the exposure and brightness is essential for making interior spaces look well lit and inviting, especially in rooms that might have been shot in lower light. Now, while the built-in Photos app on your iPhone can be great for basic edits, it doesn't always cut it for real estate photography. Personally, I use Lightroom Photo Editor almost all the time for this kind of work. It's free to download from the App Store, and it gives you way more control over the details of your photos. Once you've got Lightroom installed, there are tons of sliders and settings you can adjust. For example, you'll want to play with the contrast to bring out the details and make spaces feel more defined. If your photo has any dark areas, the shadows adjustment is really useful. You can lift the shadows to brighten those dark corners without overexposing the brighter parts of the image. This is a common trick real estate photographers use to make the entire space look more balanced and inviting. You'll also want to increase sharpness, which enhances the textures and edges in your photo. This is especially important for showing off features like flooring, countertops, or architectural details. When it comes to color, adjust the saturation just enough to make the colors pop, but not so much that they look unnatural. You want the rooms to look lively, but still realistic. Finally, don't forget to use the crop tool to straighten lines and ensure the room looks symmetrical. It's a simple adjustment, but makes a huge difference in making your photo look polished and professional. One cool trick I've learned is to follow Lightroom tutorials, many of which you can find right here on YouTube. These tutorials often walk you through every setting to adjust, and you can replicate the look for your own photos. Once you've found a style you like, you can save those settings as a preset, which is super helpful for quick edits in the future. Once you're happy with your changes, tap Done to save the edits and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. See you later.